Eastglens Open House website. Here you'll be able to explore all things Eastglen and have the opportunity to ask any questions you may have.
Are you ready to get started? On this homepage, you will find videos for each department and subject that we offer. Watch the videos to learn more about specific classes and explore Eastglen.
You can then use the navigation bar down the side of the page to continue to explore Eastglen.
Here you will find
Google Meets to ask questions of the administration and student services teams.
Information about the advanced placement courses offered at Eastglen and anything that you would like to know about advanced placement in general.
Google Forms to submit any questions that you may have.
You can meet the various people who offer supports to students here at Eastglen. These include our 3 Indigenous graduation coaches, our cultural liaison, and our All In for Youth team. On our All In for Youth team, we have a mental health therapist, a success coach, and even a Roots and Wings worker.
You can explore student life, including athletics, clubs, and student leadership.
You can watch our What is High School series, which outlines everything from registering for a high school, choosing courses, what type of program you're looking for, all the way planning to graduation.
You can explore all of the amazing things happening at Eastglen, including activities for Black History Month, Pink Shirt Day, as well as our dance and performing visual arts showcases.
Lastly, you will find some key links to Eastglen's 2022-2023 program guide, Edmonton Public's Guide to High School, Eastglen Connects, our student life website, and a link back to our main Eastglen site.
We're so excited to share with you all the things that make Eastglen such a wonderful place to be. Take the time to explore the website fully, but don't worry, it isn't going to disappear anytime soon. You're going to have a chance to kind of go back to it well after open house has concluded.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on the Eastglen website or answer a question and answer form. Someone will be sure to get back to you shortly.
Have a wonderful time exploring Eastglen. We hope to see you soon.